Understanding TFSA Basics. Welcome to TFSA 101, your ultimate guide to tax-free savings accounts. Whether you're new to TFSAs or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will break down the basics to help you make the most of this valuable savings tool. Overview of TFSA purpose and benefits. A TFSA, or tax-free savings account, is a powerful tool designed to help Canadians grow their wealth without worrying about taxes. Unlike traditional savings accounts, the income earned in a TFSA, whether it's from interest, dividends, or capital gains, remains tax-free. Now, let's break down the key benefits. 1. Tax-free growth. In a tax-free savings account, TFSA, the concept of tax-free growth, is a game-changer for Canadians seeking to build wealth. Let's break down this fundamental benefit. A. No tax on investment gains. When you invest in a TFSA, whether it's through stocks, bonds, or other instruments, any growth in the value of your investments is completely tax-free. Unlike other investment accounts, where capital gains and dividends might trigger tax obligations, your TFSA shields you from these concerns. B. Compound growth advantage. Because your gains are not eroded by taxes, your money grows more efficiently over time through the power of compounding. The interest on your interest, dividends on your dividends, and capital gains on your capital gains all contribute to a snowball effect, allowing your wealth to accumulate faster. C. Ideal for short-term and long-term goals. The tax-free growth feature makes TFSA an excellent choice for a range of financial objectives. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house in the next few years or building a retirement nest egg over several decades, the TFSA accommodates both scenarios seamlessly. Consider an investment of $10,000 in stocks within a TFSA. Over a few years, let's say it grows to $15,000. In a non-registered account, you might have to pay taxes on the $5,000 gain, but in a TFSA, you keep the entire $15,000 tax-free. 2. Flexible withdrawals. The flexibility to withdraw funds from your TFSA is another key advantage. Here's why it's a standout feature. A. No penalties for withdrawals. Unlike some retirement accounts that penalize early withdrawals or have strict rules about when you can access your funds, TFSA allows you to withdraw money at any time, for any reason, without facing penalties. B. No tax consequences. The beauty of TFSA withdrawals is that they come with no tax consequences. If you need to access your savings for a major purchase, an emergency, or any other reason, you won't see a chunk of your funds taken away by taxes. The transfer time for TFSA money to a checking account can vary depending on the financial institution and the specific transfer method chosen. Typically, it takes anywhere from 1 to 5 business days for the funds to be transferred and appear in the checking account. It's recommended to check with your financial institution for their specific timelines and processes for TFSA withdrawals and transfers. Now, let's talk about contribution room. Your TFSA contribution room is the maximum amount you can contribute to your TFSA without incurring penalties. How to calculate TFSA contribution room. The calculation is straightforward. Every year, the government sets a contribution limit. For 2023, it's $6,000. If you were 18 or older in 2009, the year TFSA was introduced, you start accumulating contribution room from that year. For example, if you were 18 in 2009 and haven't contributed to your TFSA until now, your total contribution room is $81,500, 2023 limit plus accumulated room from previous years. Now, let's explore some real-life scenarios on managing your contributions effectively. Scenario 1: Maxing out contributions. Let's dive into the first scenario with Sarah, a savvy investor who consistently maxes out her TFSA contributions each year. Sarah understands the power of tax-free growth, and by 2023, she has contributed the full cumulative limit of $81,500. Sarah's strategy involves contributing the maximum allowed amount annually. This disciplined approach ensures that she takes full advantage of the tax benefits offered by the TFSA. As a result, all the growth and earnings on her investments remain sheltered from taxes. Sarah's TFSA is a financial powerhouse. The $81,500 she contributed has grown over the years, and the best part? When she decides to make withdrawals, whether it's for a major purchase, travel, or retirement, the entire sum, including the growth, is hers to use tax-free. Scenario 2: Irregular contributions. Now let's shift our focus to Alex, who takes a more flexible approach to TFSA contributions. Unlike Sarah, Alex contributes irregularly based on his financial situation. In 2023, his cumulative contributions might be $40,000. Alex's strategy is all about flexibility. He contributes more during prosperous times when his financial situation allows, and he scales back during lean periods. This approach accommodates life's financial uncertainties and allows him to adapt his contributions to his current circumstances. While Alex's cumulative contributions might be less than the cumulative limit, he still benefits from tax-free growth on the $40,000 he has invested. This flexibility proves valuable in times of unexpected expenses or income fluctuations. The TFSA serves as a financial safety net that adapts to Alex's unique financial journey. Comparative analysis. Comparing both scenarios, Sarah's disciplined approach maximizes the TFSA's full potential by consistently contributing the maximum allowed. On the other hand, Alex's flexible strategy allows him to navigate life's financial twists and turns while still enjoying the tax advantages of the TFSA. The key takeaway here is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to TFSA contributions. It's about finding what works best for your financial goals and lifestyle. Remember, whether you're a Sarah or an Alex, the TFSA is designed to be a versatile and powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Tailor your contributions to align with your unique circumstances and watch your tax-free savings grow over time. Rules and consequences of over-contributing. While TFSAs offer flexibility, there are rules to follow. Over-contributing can lead to penalties. The penalty is 1% of the excess amount per month. Let's see an example. Emily mistakenly contributes $7,000 in 2023, exceeding the $6,000 limit. She would incur a 1% penalty on the $1,000 excess, which is $10 per month until she corrects the overcontribution. Lastly, let's discuss where you can find information about your TFSA contribution room. Online tools. Utilize online tools provided by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. The CRA's My Account portal offers real-time updates on your contribution room, ensuring you stay on top of your TFSA game. Annual notices. Keep an eye out for your annual notice of assessment, which outlines your available TFSA contribution room. It's a handy resource for planning your contributions. And there you have it. Managing your TFSA contributions is about understanding your limits, accumulating contribution room wisely, and avoiding overcontributions. Remember, a well-managed TFSA is a key component of your financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy investing!
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.